Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zikri Bezakara. My ID number VB19023. Today I want to present about the advanced technology in drivetrain system. For the title is comparison of the wheel and tire. Okay, first is comparison of wheel. First is comparison of wheel is Enkai wheel for the model Enkai RF1. Okay, the material used is alloy. Then the weight of the wheel is 11.3 pound, and the process for this wheel is casting and forget the process. The price is RM 3,400. For the advance for this product is the twin pocket achieve better strength distribution on the queue, hard braking and extreme race driving. Okay, the second is a BBS wheel. The BBS wheel, the model is a BBS CK Deco Silver. The material used is a aluminium alloy, and the weight is 17 ILBs. And the process is a low pressure and casting process. The price is RM 3,700, and the advance for this product is advancing the traditional casting process, the hybrid forget the series until follow forming to cut down on the weight and increase the strength. Okay, the third is a Waxin wheel. The model is VFS1 90 inch. The material used is aluminium, and the weight is 15 lbs, and the process used is a casting process, and the price is 11,000. Okay, for the advance for this product is the follow forming process, maintain the integrity of the design, will also improve the grain structure of the aluminium casting and strong, light, and considerably thinner forget the light rim and bridle. The Ozek racing wheel is the model is a Racing Ultra Ligera. Okay, the material is used is alloy, and the weight is a 90.11 lbs, and the process is a low pressure casting process, and the price is 6,880. The advantage of this product is a lightweight and technology and low casting. This is a conic wheel. The model used is a Decrum. The material is the aluminium, and the weight is 17 lbs, and the process for this wheel is straight and compress the aluminium, and the price is 6,808. The comparison of the tire. Okay, for the first is a Michelin tire. The model is Michelin Primacy 4. The material is carbon black and silica. The price is 280. The advance for this product is trip where the guide on the tire to help the driver to pinpoint when the tire is requiring the charging. The performance for this tire is a tire provide a high level of performance on wet road. From the first use anti-wound, the legal where the indicator is 1.6 mm. Continental is use the model is CC6. The material is carbon black, silica steel, polyester, rayon and nylon. The price is 270. The advance for this product, the silent Conti Silent is a noise reducing the technology developed by Continental is reducing an interior noise on the old road surface. The performance is a good fuel efficiency, excellent convertible, right and height mileage performance. Okay, for the next is a Bridgestone. The model is a Ecopia EP300. The material is carbon black and the silica. The price is 220. For the advance is Nano Pro Technology rubber long side and optimize the chrome shape that enable low rolling resistance. The former is performance through the high fuel efficiency and safety. Okay, the next is a Silverstone. The model is use a Cruiser 1 and S800. The material is carbon black and the silica. The price is 180. The advance for this product, advance the micro beta silicon compound and a high molecule polymer. The performance in the product is a tire that are more durable and the more fuel efficient, less polluting. And the last is a Toyo tire. The brand is a Toyo Nano Energy 3. The material used is carbon black and silica. The price is 190. For the advance is a specialized silica compound driven by nano balance technology and provide the insert the traction in the weight condition. The performance is dynamic taper improve the rib design, create more even contact pressure with the braking and add the stabilizer with the cornering.
Hello, my name is Umar Afif Mahta, BB19015. Today I want to present about type, what, how, advantage, availability, price, and then maintenance for four type of car, different car, like Proton S70, Toyota Crown, Audi A8, and then Ferrari SF19. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is what I discussed before. Introduction. Proton X70. What suspension it use? McPherson strut and then multi-link with stabilizer. How it works? McPherson strut consists of a wishbone or a substantial comparison link stabilized by a secondary link which provide a bottom mounting point for the hub or axle of the wheel. I have two advantages like low manufacturing cost and lightweight. Okay, what availability? He use brand Kayaba or KYB, and then how about the maintenance? Have a two maintenance, replacing worn out bushing and then the whole unit replaced. The price may be around 1,000 until 3,000 for the full set. Okay, for the suspension of Proton X70. Okay, how about the Toyota Crown? Okay, Toyota Crown used from double wishbone, and then how it works. Double wishbone suspension allow each wheel to the act and react independently from the others. The upper and lower control arms have ball joints on both ends to allow movement in multiple directions. What the advantages is increase in negative chamber. How about the availability? Longyang Michael Machinery China, the OEM factory in China. How about the maintenance? The replacement of bushes or ball joints, cracking around any securing ball holes. The price may be at around 3,000 until 5,000 for the full set. Okay. How about the Audi A8? Uh, this car use adaptive air suspension. The suspension work is in the suspension with damper control. Sensor measure the movement of the vehicle body. The damping characteristic is then adjusted accordingly to the road surface condition and the driving situation. How about the advantages? More driver comfort and less wear and tear. The availability is A part air suspension part for Audi. From Audi too. How about the maintenance? Faulty control modules, leaky A8 air springs, puncture or tears in the airlines. The price may be around 20,000 until 25,000 for the full set. Okay. How about the Ferrari SF90? They use front push rod and the rear pull rod. How it works? Allow essential components to be moved out or of the airflow closer to the center of gravity and allow the center of gravity to be lower. Uh, thereby creating a more efficient distribution of weight and management of body rolls. How about the advantages? Okay, Ferrari SF90 use a push rod for the front and then pull rod for the rear. How it works? Allow essential components to be moved out of direct airflow closer to the center of gravity and allow the center of gravity to be lowered, thereby creating a more efficient distribution of weight and management of body rolls. Okay. How about the advantages? Advantages have two advantages. They are arm stay in tension, more operational friction. For the availability is only 500 were made by Ferrari. How about the maintenance? Maintenance, a push rod setup allows designer to stick the dampers, spring, and any auxiliary components in the center of the car. How about the price? The price is maybe high expensive, like 200 220,000 until 325,000 for the full set for the sports Ferrari car. Okay, this is from me. Thank you.
Name is Muhammad Zahid bin Fazil, number ID EVP19020, and I want to present about suspension system for car. For the first, McLaren using double wishbone system and its advantage to help channel airflow and increase diffuser effectiveness. For the how McLaren is no stranger to going further with his suspension to help benefit aerodynamic, which often means integrating it with a diffuser or real aerodynamic device to aid airflow in the rear of the car. For the maintenance, it service when time is come, replace bush when worn out. For the availability, it the have because this product reserved only for F1. For the price is 15 until 20,000. For the Porsche, it use Porsche Active Suspension Management System (PASM). It can determine whether you want normal mode or sport mode, which is it can choosing between normal mode or sport mode. Its advantage, it can increase body control when driving, accelerate, and can also overcome large compression. Maintenance service the suspension when time is come, replace bush when worn out. For the price for the Porsche Active Suspension is 6 until 10,000. For the Mercedes, it using automatic air suspension. It can compress and can change hydraulic air suspension. For the advantage, it can be raised to increase ground distance or minimize drag. It got many OEM products for the market. For its maintenance, service when time is come, which is when the mileage is passed, we should service the suspension. For the price for Mercedes automatic air suspension is 6,000 until 6,200 ringgit. For the Isuzu D-Max, it uses leaf spring suspension. It can be detached near the car frame directly. For the advantage, loose spring as they compress will become softer. For the ability, this product got many OEM products at the market. For the price, 1,800 until 3,000. Maintenance preset, tighten the bowl, replace individual leaf, lubricant maintenance. For the next, steering wheel system. Proton X70, it using multi-function system. The driver can do everything near the steering wheel of the car because it is full of button function. For the advantage, the multi-function steering wheel allow the driver to give instruction directly without releasing the hand on the steering by giving instruction to the steering as it equipped with an audio system. As we know, Proton X70 is by giving the instruction with high proton, it will be function and it will give other instruction to do. For the maintenance, remove the dirt, clean the leather, use leather condition, use quick wipe, make a habit of daily cleaning. For the ability, this product got many OEM in this market. For the price, 1 until 2,000. Toyota Crown, it using the electric power hydraulic steering. The electric hydraulic steering is a system of steering assistance system which exploit the power generated by an electric motor. Advantage, electric motor to direct the steering command back by the driver easily. Availability, got many OEM products since the Toyota Crown is released from 2018. For the price, 3,000 until 5,000. Maintenance, grease the front suspension and steering system every 5,000 miles. Check steering fluid level. For the Audi A8, it uses dynamic all-wheel steering. It's controlled by the electronic suspension platform. The advantage, the dynamic all-wheel steering wheels also improve stability at medium and high speed. Turn the wheel up to 2 degrees toward the steering wheel for increased stability. Maintenance, remove the dirt, clean the leather, use leather condition, use quick wipe, make a habit of daily clean. Reality, this product got many OEM product. For the price, 2,200 until 2,500. For the Ferrari SF19, it used electronic power steering EPS system. Electronic power steering system eliminate the need for a pump, hose, and drive belt. Connect to the engine, use variable amount of power. So for the Ferrari SF19, it will adjust which power to choose. For the advantage over a hydraulic steering is if the engine stall, you will still have a steering assist. Maintenance, grease the front suspension and steering system every 5,000 miles. Check steering fluid level. For the price, it is pricey because this model only got 500 in the world. It is 15,000 until 20,000. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Amrazim Zahiri. Nombor metrik kad saya VB19017. Dan hari ini saya akan menceritakan perbezaan antara steering sistem kenderaan F1, sport car Porsche, Mercedes dan truk Isuzu. So, mari kita. Jadi sekarang yang pertama saya akan bincangkan steering system yang digunakan oleh F1. Jadi F1 menggunakan electric power steering system. Kenapa dia menggunakan power steering system? Untuk memudahkan lagi pemandu untuk memandu dengan keadaan yang baik. Dan ciri-ciri keselamatan yang digunakan oleh F1 ialah power steering F1 boleh dilipat untuk safety apabila kenderaan berlanggar pada bahagian hadapan. Jika kenderaan berlanggar di bahagian hadapan, maka power steering tidak akan mencederakan pemandu. Dan juga power steering untuk F1 boleh diubah kerana dia untuk kesesuaian pelumba ataupun pemandu itu sendiri. Jadi power steering itu boleh diubah panjang ataupun pendek. Seterusnya, advantage yang terdapat pada power steering ini ialah dia dilengkapi dengan sistem mekanisme elektrik yang boleh dicabut dan sebagainya. Dan sistem EPF ini sangat berguna untuk perlumbaan. Seterusnya kita akan pergi kepada sistem power steering Porsche. Porsche juga menggunakan electric power steering system, tetapi dia menambahkan ciri sistem yang terbaru iaitu Power Steering Plus. Apakah sistem Power Steering Plus tu? Power Steering Electric Plus yang dipakai oleh Porsche adalah sistem yang sensitif terhadap kelajuan. Maknanya di sini apabila kenderaan laju, pemandu dapat merasakan keselesaan apabila dia membawa kenderaan dalam keadaan laju ataupun slow. Ini adalah sistem yang digunakan oleh Porsche, iaitu EPS Plus. Pada kelajuan tinggi, dan EPS Plus ini juga akan menguatkan dan bertindak balas terhadap kelajuan dan akan menguatkan lagi steering. Yang ketiga, kita ada hydraulic pressure with fluid. Yang ini digunakan oleh kereta passenger Mercedes, terutamanya M203, M204 atau Mercedes-Benz A-Class ataupun sebagainya. Mercedes menggunakan udara yang termampat. Dia ada power steering yang dilengkapi dengan belting yang untuk menggerakkan power steering itu. Dan apabila kenderaan itu berada dalam tahap kelajuan, ia tetap terasa terbaik. Apabila memandu memulaskan steering, dia tidak rasa berat kerana dengan bantuan elektrik dan hydraulik dia lebih ringan. Apa yang digunakan oleh Mercedes iaitu sistem APS dengan kuasa hidrolik berbanding dengan Isuzu yang menggunakan sistem hidrolik sahaja. Dan sistem hidrolik sahaja amatlah berat nak dibandingkan dengan EPS, electric power steering dengan hidrolik. Dan yang paling ketara saya apabila driver ingin memasuki parking dan dia perlu menggunakan tenaga yang lebih untuk memulas steering. Itu sahaja daripada saya. Sekian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Zulkifli, ID VP19008. Today I will talk about the composition transmission for Type A. First car I picked Pro 2. The model is Kancil 660EX. This car use manual transmission, 5 speed. The maintenance is manual transmission fluid can be changed every 13,000 to 16,000 miles. For warranty is used car. The price is 5,000 to 6,000. Next is 1MT, a gearbox that enable the driver to choose between different gear ratio to drive the car. How MT works, a clutch function as the link between the transmission and the engine, and by this clutch need to be disengaged by the driver when to change the gear. For advantage, manual transmission is better gas mileage and the maintenance cost is less. Next is Honda. The model is Accord 1.5TC. This car use continuous variable transmission. For maintenance is CVT transmission fluid can be changed every 1,000 miles. For availability is the latest car. The price is 185,900 ringgit. What CVT? A CVT transmission seamless change through an ending range of effective gear ratio while driving. How CVT works? An automatic transmission that use two pulleys with a steel belt running between them. For advantage, CVT is decreased engine fatigue and constant stepless acceleration. Next is Pro 2. The model is Myvi 1.5. This car use 4-speed automatic transmission. For maintenance, automatic transmission fluid can be changed every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. Availability is the latest car. The price is 50,530. 180, an automatic transmission use sensor to determine when it should shift gear and change them using internal oil pressure. How AT works? Automatic transmission use hydraulic power to shift gear, a torque or fluid coupling converter with gear set that provide the desired range of gear for the vehicles. Advantage automatic transmission is very smooth gear shift operation and better fuel efficiency. Lastly is Audi. The model is RX Type 42. This car use 6-speed electronic single clutch automatic manual. For maintenance, automatic transmission manual fluid be changed every 13,000 to 16,000 miles. For availability is used car. For the price of the car is 320,000 and 151 and 33 ringgit. So what AMT? A conventional manual transmission and use automation to operate either the clutch and or the gear shifting. How MT work? Gear shifting, clutch actuation, shift timing, and rev matching are all under automated control the electronic sensor and actuator. Advantage AMT is very easy to use, provide comfortable driving experience. Next is type transmission car for Type B. First is Land Rover. The model is L405. This car use 8-speed automatic transmission. For maintenance, automatic transmission fluid can be changed every 100,000 to 200,000 miles. For availability is still produced. The price of this car is 1,010,000. So what 8-speed AT? 8-speed transmission with hydraulic converter and penalty gear set for longitudinal engine. How 8-speed AT works? All 1 gear and 2 gear shift use just 2 shifting element. One opens and another is closed. 8-speed also execute certain multi-gear shift from 6 gear to 3rd and even 8 to 2nd. The advantage 8-speed automatic transmission is to improve fuel economy. Next is Bugatti. The model is Chiron. This car use 7-speed dual clutch automatic. The maintenance is any gearbox, oil or fluid change every 40,000 km. For availability is still produced. The price of this car is 2,650,000. So what 7-speed DCT? To make sporty driving performance possible. Direct drive and lightning fast gear change without interrupting the shear force. How 7-speed DCT work? A 7-speed DCT work by using 2 clutch instead of 1 and both are computer controlled. This computer eliminates the need for the driver to manually change gear, and the entire process is automated. Advantage 7-speed DCT is capable of RPM of up to 9000 and the various driving modes manual, comfort and sport. Next is Toyota. The model is Prius XW50. This car uses electric continuous variable transmission ECVT. The maintenance is ECVT transmission fluid be changed every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. For availability is still produced. The price of this car is 200,632 ringgit. Next is what ECVT. An ECVT unit that is using a single planetary differential gear set to combine power from two electric motor and a gasoline engine. How ECVT works? An intelligent transmission that has an infinite number of gear ratios at its disposal. It selects the optimal, most efficient gear ratio for that precise moment. The advantage ECVT is higher fuel economy and lower exhaust emission than ICE engine. Once again, the model is Polo MKC. This car uses 7-speed direct shift gearbox automatic. The maintenance is DSG transmission fluid be changed every 4,000 miles. The availability is still produced. The price of this car is 74,600 ringgit. So what DSG? A DSG automated 2 separate manual gearbox and clutch contained within one housing and working as one unit. How DSG works? The gear change is based on the engine speed depending on the information given by the sensor will be commanded to select either a higher or lower gear. The advantage direct shift gearbox is way less than automatic transmission. That's it from me, Muhammad Faiz, Thank you.